Dear students, in last video we have started the first method of integration, that is integration by substitution. So there are some corollaries. So let us take the third corollary for the integration, that is integration of f dash of x upon root of f of x with respect to x equal to 2 root f of x plus constant of integration c. So f dash of x upon root f of x dx. So students, put here f of x equal to t, then differentiate whatever is the substitution, differentiate that substitution, we will get f dash of x, differentiation of f of x is f dash of x, and differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get f dash of x dx equal to dt. And now this integration, the integration I equal to f dash of x dx, the term is dt. Okay, that's why dt, and upon square root of t. And 1 upon square root of t, integration of 1 upon square root of t, and that is equal to, according to the integration formula, this is 2 root t. This is 2 root t plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and hence integration of f dash of x upon integration of f dash of x upon root of f of x, root of f of x with respect to x is 2 root f of x, 2 root f of x plus constant of integration c. This is the formula. Okay students, according to this corollary you can solve the integration directly. Now suppose, see here, we have the example, that is integration of 1 upon x into root of log of x with respect to x. Okay students, suppose log of x is your function. Suppose here f of x equal to log of x. Okay, and you know that 1 upon x is differentiation of log of x. So here this 1 upon x we can write in this way, 1 upon x upon square root of log of x. Okay, and log of x is f of x, and hence this 1 upon x is differentiation of log of x. Okay, and therefore we can write this as differentiation of log of x with respect to x upon square root of log of x, and this is of the form, this is of the form f of x, this is of the form f dash of x upon square root of f of x with respect to x, and this is 2 root f of x. This is 2 root f of x, and hence its integration is 2 root f of x, its integration is, that is 2 root log of x plus constant of integration c. In this way we can solve the given problem. Okay students, now let us solve some examples related to this corollary and the theorem. Okay, that is, the problems are from exercise 3.2. okay, the problem is that evaluate the integration, evaluate integration of log of x raised to n upon x with respect to x. Okay students, so in this problem, suppose log of x raised to n upon x, this is our integrand. See students, the function is log of x, the function is log of x raised to n is there, and that is dx upon x, 1 upon x is also there. But if we observe, then we will see that 1 upon x is the differentiation of log of x. So here give the substitution to log of x, that is put here log of x equal to t. Put here log of x equal to t. And whatever is our substitution, the method is that for substitution, differentiate the substitution. Differentiate this substitution, we will get differentiation of log of x is 1 upon x and differentiation of t with respect to x. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get dx upon x equal to dt. This is dx upon x equal to dt. Okay students, so here this dx upon x is dt, and here log of x, we have put here log of x equal to t, and this is t raised to in our integrand I equal to t raised to n, dx upon x is dt. And now this is your regular, that is this is very simple integration by using x raised to n formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Instead of x there is t, and hence this is the integration. Now resubstitute the value of t, and integration I equal to, that is the value of t is log of x, hence log of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate integration of 1 plus x upon x into sine of x plus log x with respect to x. Okay students, so here there are number of problems, and after solving the number of problems, practicing more, we will decide what is the substitution in this problem. So students, here sine of x plus log of x is the function, and again 1 plus x upon x is also there. Now let us put x plus log of x equal to t. X plus log of x equal to t. Suppose this is our substitution. Whatever is the substitution, differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x we will get. So differentiation of x plus log of x with respect to x equal to dt by dx. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of log of x with respect to x is 1 upon x, and that is dt by dx. So here x is LCM, okay, and therefore now we get 1 plus x upon x equal to dt by dx. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get 1 plus x upon x into dx equal to dt. Okay students, now let us solve the problem. Okay, the problem is that is integrand I equal to integration of, see students, integration 1 plus x with respect to x upon x into sine of x plus log x. So we have given the substitution to x plus log x, that is t, and this is, see students, 1 plus x dx upon x. This is the value of dt from 1. This is the value of dt from 1, and hence I equal to dt and upon this sine of t. This is the t from here. See students, this is the value of t from here. Okay, and now 1 upon sine t. 1 upon sine t is, that is cosec t with respect to t. And we know that the integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x. Okay, and hence integration I equal to log of cosec t minus cot t plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t. And hence integration I equal to log of cosec t is x plus log x minus cot of x plus log x plus constant of integration c. And in this way we have to solve the problems by using substitution method. Okay students, now the next problem is that evaluate integration of x into sec square x into sec square x square upon square root of tan cube x square with respect to x. Students, by observing the problem, then we have to decide what is the substitution there. Okay, so here tan is there, sec square is there, but students, we know the sec square is the differentiation of tan x. Okay, and so here give the substitution to directly the function tan of x square. Give the substitution to tan of x square. First simplify the problem. So put here x equal, that is tan of x square equal to t. Okay, and whatever is the substitution, please differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. This is our substitution. Okay student, so differentiation of tan of x square with respect to x and differentiation t with respect to x. So differentiation of tan of x is sec square of x, but here instead of x there is x square, and therefore the differentiation is sec square of x square. But students, this x square is again differentiable function. That's why by using chain rule, into differentiation of x square with respect to x is dt by dx. Okay students, so in integration there is differentiation, and that's why you must know how to differentiate, and that's why solve the problems for differentiation, then you will understand the problems of integration betterly. Okay students, so here sec square x square, differentiation of x square is 2 into x and equal to dt by dx. Now shift this dx to that side, we will get 2 into sec square of x square into x dx equal to dt. So see here the term in the integration, that is x sec square x square, the term is there. Okay, so here sec square x square, but only 2 is not there, so shift this 2 to that side, we will get that is sec square x square x dx equal to dt by 2. We have shifted the 2 to that side. Okay, and this is the value in this way. Okay students, now our integrand is that is integration of x into sec square x square with respect to x upon square root of tan cube of x square. Okay students, so this is the value. So this value from here we can put the value, and the value is dt by 2 and upon the integrand is, that is we have put tan of x square equal to t. Okay, tan of x square equal to t, and here tan cube x square means that becomes t cube, square root of t cube, and hence this is equal to 1 by 2 as a common take outside, dt upon t raised square root of t raised to 3 means t raised to 3 by 2. Its integration that is now integration I equal to 1/2 as a constant, integration of that is t raised to minus 3 by 2 with respect to t. We have transfer this t raised to 3 by 2 to numerator. We get here t raised to minus 3 by 2, and by using x raised to n formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and this is t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1 and plus constant of integration c, and hence the answer is 1/2 t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1, that is t raised to minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled, and here the value of t, the value of integration I equal to, that is minus t raised to minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 upon t raised to 1 by 2, and that is minus 1 upon square root of t. Okay students, and now resubstitute the value of t, and hence integration I equal to, that is minus 1 upon square root of, that is t is tan of x square plus constant of integration c, and in this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now the next problem is evaluate integration of x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into a raised to x plus tan inverse of x with respect to x. Okay students, so here the complicated function is, suppose a raised to x plus tan inverse of x. Now for give the substitution to this. Students, at first try there is we can't say that this is the substitution for this problem. By try and error you should get what is the actual substitution there. Okay, so let us try for this function. If the substitution will be successful, then we will substitute. Okay, so here a raised to x plus tan inverse of x dx. So suppose this is the integration I equal to. Now in this let us try, that is x plus tan inverse of x equal to t. Tan inverse of x equal to t. Now whatever is our substitution, differentiate that. That is differentiate with respect to x. We will get differentiate with respect to x. we will get, that is equal to differentiation of x is 1, that is differentiation of x plus differentiation of x with respect to x plus differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x, and that is equal to dt by dx. So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is equal to dt by dx. So here the LCM will be 1 plus x square. Okay students, so LCM is 1 plus x square. Multiply here with 1 plus x square, we will get 1 plus x square plus 1 equal to dt by dx, and that is 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus x square upon 1 plus x square, and that is equal to dt by dx. Okay students, now shift this x to that side, we will get x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx equal to dt. Okay students, so we have substitute this. After substitution we get this. Okay, and hence x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1, the term is in our integration, and hence this is the successful substitution. We can substitute here. Okay, and therefore now this value, see students, the value here, that is x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx. For this the value is dt, and hence our integrand I equal to, integration I equal to, this value is dt, and a raised to x plus tan inverse of x, this is a raised to t. Suppose from 1, this is the t. Okay, a raised to t, and this value is dt. And we know that integration of a raised to x, is, that is equals to a raised to x upon log a plus constant of integration c, and hence here the integration a raised to t is a raised to t upon log of a plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and hence our final answer is, what is the substitution for t? The substitution for t is x plus tan inverse of x, hence a raised to x plus tan inverse of x upon log of a plus constant of integration c. This is the integration of our problem, or whatever the integrand. Okay, in this way we have to solve the problems. Now the next problem is evaluate the integration. Students, first let us take some problem as a homework for you. Okay, so the problem is that integrate, these are the homework problem, please try to solve it. That is, evaluate sine inverse of x raised to 3 by 2 upon square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. This is the first problem. The second problem is evaluate integration of e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1 with respect to x. Then the next problem is evaluate the integration e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, please solve this problem. Here substitute sine inverse of x equal to t. Here substitute e raised to 3x plus 1 equal to t, and here you can substitute, that is the adjustment is there, e raised to 2x minus 1 means here you can adjust in this way. This is e raised to 2x minus 1, okay, minus 1, and then plus 1 means adjustment of plus 1 minus 1 and upon e raised to 2x minus 1. This is one term and this is another term, and then simplify the integrand. Okay students, in this way you have to solve the three problem. Okay, now let us take another example, that is integrate. The next problem is that integrate sine raised to cos raised to 4x sine raised to 4x into cos cube x with respect to x. Okay students, so here we don't have such a formula. By substitution we can solve the problem, but before going to substitution there is adjustment students. Okay, so see here, cos, we can write this integrand, suppose I equal to, that is sine raised to 4x cos cube x, we can write, that is cos square of x into cos x with respect to x. Okay students, so here we can express cos square in terms of sine, because we know that is sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1, and this implies cos square of x equal to 1 minus sine square x. Okay students, so by using this, first simplify the problem. The problem is sine raised to 4x cos square, we can write in terms of sine, that is 1 minus sine square x, and this cos x dx as it is. Now solve the bracket. This will be, that is integration of sine raised to 4x into 1 is sine raised to 4x. Okay students, minus sine raised to 4x into sine raised to 2x, that is sine raised to 6x, and into cos of x as it is with respect to x. Okay students, so now we have the integration I equal to sine raised to 4x minus sine raised to 6x into cos x with respect to x. Okay students, so we have sin x and cos x, and the sin x is the complicated function, that is power of sine is that. Okay, and we don't have the formula for integration. But students, if we give the substitution to sin x, because sin is the complicated function, so put here in this problem there is power of sine, that's why we give the substitution to sine, that is put sin of x equal to t. Whatever is our substitution, please differentiate it, and differentiation of sin x, now we can write directly cos x into dt by dx. So shift this dx to that side, we will get cos x into dx equal to dt. Okay students, and hence our integrand become that is integration I equal to sine raised to 4, that is t raised to 4 minus t raised to 6 cos x dx, the value is dt. Student, the value is dt from here, and hence this is dt. Now take the integration separately, that is integration of t raised to 4 with respect to t minus integration of t raised to 6 with respect to t, and hence the integration is t raised to 5 upon 5 by x raised to n formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 by integration of x raised to n, and minus t raised to 6 means t raised to 7 upon 7 plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t, and hence integration I equal to, that is sine of x raised to 5 upon 5 minus sine of x raised to 7 upon 7 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problems. Okay students, now the next example is that evaluate the integral, that is integration of 1 upon 4x plus 5x raised to minus 11 with respect to x. Okay students, and this is the integration I. So in this problem we have to give the substitution. So what is the substitution? Let us say here. First we can write the problem like this: 1 upon 4x plus 5 upon x raised to 11. So shift this x raised to minus 11 to its denominator. Okay, and this is the integration. Now we can substitute here. What is the substitution? Suppose here, first take the suppose here at the denominator take the LCM. LCM is the x raised to 11, and that is equal to 1 upon 4x into x raised to 11, that is x raised to 12, plus 5 upon x raised to 11 with respect to x. Now shift this x raised to 11 to the numerator. We will get x raised to 11 upon 4 into x raised to 12 plus 5 with respect to x. Now see students, the term we have at the denominator is the complicated term, and give substitution to that term, and hence let us put here, that is 4x raised to 12 plus 5 equal to t. Okay students, and now whatever is our substitution, differentiate it, that is differentiate with respect to x. We will get differentiation, the 4 is constant, and differentiation of x raised to 12 with respect to x plus differentiation of 5 with respect to x equal to differentiation of t with respect to x. And now we will get differentiation of x raised to 12 by differentiation of x raised to n formula. Differentiation of x raised to n, this formula, differentiation of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So here 4 into 12, x raised to n minus 1, 12 minus 1 is 11, and plus differentiation of 5 is 0, and this is dt by dx. Okay students, and hence now we have 48 x raised to 11 equal to dt by dx. But students, if we see the problem, suppose this is the problem, x raised to 11 upon 4 x raised to 12 plus 5, and we have given substitution here. But what is the value of x raised to 11? So x raised to 11 into dx. Now let us find out this value, x raised to 11 into dx, this value from here. To shift 48 to that side and dx to 11, x raised to 11 side, we will get x raised to 11 into dx equal to dt upon 48. So students, the integrand become let us see. The integration is I equal to, what is your integrand? Integrand is, see here, x raised to 11 dx. Okay, the value from here, and that is dt by 48. This is dt by 48 upon 4x raised to 12 plus 5. So we have given substitution to this term, and that is t upon t. This is upon t. Okay students, and hence 1 upon 48 as a constant, take it outside, and dt upon t, integration of 1 upon x with respect to x is log x, and hence this is 1 upon 48 dt upon t is log of t. Okay students, plus constant of integration c, resubstitute the value of t, and hence integration I equal to 1 upon 48 log of, that is 4x raised to 12 plus 5 plus constant of integration c, and in this way we have to solve the problems. Okay students, so these are the integration problems for substitution. We have to solve the number of problems, that means we have to solve the 40 or 50 problems. In this exercise there are given, that is more than 40 problems that we have to solve. But the problems, please write down in your notebook and practice again and again. Okay, then and then you will understand that how to substitute, which term is to be substituted, that we will get after practicing more, after practicing again and again. Okay students.